Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create or edit a contact on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the contacts tab at the bottom. And in here, you can create a new contact by tapping on the plus or the add button right here at the top. Now in here, put in the name that you want to create. So say Mr. Brown. Now in here you can put in the phone number, and you can add in more phone numbers as needed. You can also put in the email address, a group. You can assign a group if he's your co-worker or family or a friends member. So select an appropriate group and then tap on the back key. And if you tap on the view more button, you can fill in some additional information such as work info, the address, some important dates in relation to this contact, relationships, notes. All of these are optionals. You don't have to fill them in. They're just optionals. You can also assign a unique ringtone for that contact. So let's say you want to choose this comet ringtone. So whenever that person calls you, it will use the comet ringtone. And you can also choose the call vibration pattern for this particular contact as well. So after you have filled in all the details, at the top here, there is a camera icon. If you tap on that, it will allow you to assign a photo to a contact. So in here, you can choose the camera to take a photo of your contact. You can use AI emoji, stickers, or gallery. You can select a picture from the gallery. And then tap on done, then tap on saved. And now you can, at the bottom here, once you have created the contact, you can also assign favorites if this contact is your favorites or not. And if you tap on the more button, there is also a delete QR code or block contacts option that you can use in the future. And that's it. So that is how you can create a contact. If we go back to the phone app right here, and in the contacts tab, if we go down and look for Mr. Brown, he should be somewhere in here. Right there. Now to edit a contact, what you want to do is tap on the contacts tab at the bottom, and in the list, open up the contact that you wish to edit, and then tap on the information button, and then tap on the edit button at the bottom here. Then again on here, you can just go in and make any changes to the contact details as necessary. And that's it. So let's say we want to go in here and add an email. And then tap on saved. And that's it. So that is how you can change or edit the contact detail. Now, another things that you might want to do is, let's say if you have received an incoming call, and in your call log history, you haven't got a contact for that number yet, so you can tap on the phone number from the recent list. And here you can tap on add to contacts, and from the pop-up, you could create a new contact or update an existing contact. So let's say if this phone number is a new contact, you tap on create new contact. And here you can just quickly put in the name, Mr. Blake, for example. And then you can go down here and fill in other details, such as additional phone number, email address, email, groups, work info, and so on, and then tap on saved. And so that is another way how you can create a new contact from an existing phone call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.